Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find and catch a Selyne. Selyne's like the moon goddess looking pal that has a literal giant crystal moon floating behind them, and they can only be caught in two places, well, two ways really. One is from a meteor that falls on one of the islands, usually the islands either of the Forgotten Island, the Icewind Island, or the Dancing Sakura Shrine Island. Those are ones to the north. And there's only a chance, like there isn't a guarantee. Sometimes it's Xeno invaders, other times it's a Selyne, and you can fight them and catch them when the meteorite lands. The trouble is, by default, meteorites only appear once every 3 hours, and they share a spawn and a cooldown with a supply drop. So every 3 hours you might get a supply drop, or you might get a meteor strike that might have a Selyne. So I recommend, if you are going to do this, that you go into your settings and change the spawn timer down from like 130 minutes or whatever it is, 180 minutes I think, down to like 5 minutes or like 1 minute, so that they're constantly happening, so you can farm up Selyne, get like 5 or more of them really quickly, and then you can put it back to a normal spawn rate after that. And then that's really about it. I mean, they just appear next to the meteorite. They're oftentimes fighting some Syndicate henchmen that are trying to capture them. You can just wait till they fight those off, then you can fight them. Throw a pal sphere, everyone's happy. These are actually really fun to have. They're one of my preferred flying mounts, especially early on in the game, because your character just like sits on the little moon behind them and you can kind of zip around. But you can't use your weapon when you're flying around on the Selyne, so just keep that in mind. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This is when you find Selynes out in the wild. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.